The gym community is plagued by an almost incurable disease, and it's probably one that you suffer from daily, and it's called body dysmorphia. That constant feeling that you're either not big enough or not lean enough, and honestly, every time you open your phone, it gets a little bit worse. I mean, every second video on Instagram Reels is some juiced up 14-year-old lifting double your max bench. And the reality is, it can be pretty hard to stay motivated when you're seeing this kind of thing. I mean, what's the point when all these social media guys are doing way better than you at such a young age? But the truth is, you can be more jacked than 95% of average gym goers just by doing a few simple things. And it's not that hard realistically. And that's why I made this video, to tell you guys 3 simple things that you can start doing to surpass the majority of people at your gym. And the first thing that you need to do is disconnect. What I mean by this is, the next time that you're at the gym, turn your phone off and just look around you. Who's at the gym? If you're at an average public gym, you're going to realize that most of the people in there aren't working as hard as you, don't look as good as you, and definitely aren't as dialed in as you. The truth is, those people online that make you feel small are the top 5%, and most everyday people just aren't taking it that seriously. Most of them are probably looking at you wondering when they will look that good. Sure, every gym has a few freaky looking guys, but most of them are pretty average. So before you can even begin to better yourself, you need to understand what you're up against. Don't compare yourself to Larry Wheels, but rather compare yourself to those around you who probably live similar lives and strive to be better than them. It sounds egotistical, but to some degree, you're going to have to be egotistical. Not saying be a dick about it, but just have some belief in yourself. And the next thing that you can do is dial in your eating. Track your macros and calories daily. Sounds pretty simple, but trust me, most people are not doing this basic thing. I'd say at least 95% of the people I've asked at the gym don't do it regularly, and most of them aren't even sure if they're bulking, cutting, or what they're doing. I saw massive increases to my gains once I started tracking, plus it gave me the confidence that I was on track to my goals. Gains aren't going to come overnight, so knowing you're eating the right amounts every day will guarantee you're making gains, and it'll be one less thing to worry about. Doing this will put you miles ahead of the average gym enthusiast, and you'll quickly level up past them. Moving on, another thing that you can do that the 95% aren't doing is resting properly. And doing this means you can level up literally in your sleep. You would be surprised by how many people fail to get 8 hours of sleep a night. Whether they're out drinking, doom scrolling TikTok, or whatever it is, if you take your rest seriously, you will gain a massive advantage. Good quality sleep is going to keep your hormones happy and your muscles recovering, ready for your next lift. And it'll only be a matter of time before you're sailing past everyone at your gym. And I'll throw in a bonus tip here because I've talked about it before. I literally have a whole video dedicated to it. And that's going to be training with real intensity. Doing sets till failure and trying to progressively overload will make a huge difference. Most people train till mild discomfort and they're leaving gains on the table. So give every set your all and start leveling up in the gym right now. And if you do want to see the full video about how to train with intensity, it's on screen right now. Check that out, and that's pretty much it. Lots of love. Peace!